In this video, I'm going to show you how to drive a shark in GTA 5. So as you can see, this is the mod, and I'm basically like driving a shark here. So it's like a vehicle here. As you can see, it's upside down for some reason, but it acts like basically a vehicle here. So it's like a car. So to download this mod, let's just start with it. So first I'm gonna open Google Chrome over here. Let me just open one, and we're gonna type in menu mod, go to this website and download this one. Then you want to go and download Script Hook V. So go to this website and download this one. Now you want to open your downloads folder, and you want to open, so let me just close this down here. Okay, so let's open the GTA 5 folder. To open it, you go to the Epic Games, and under Manage, you should see it here. So this is the GTA 5 folder. Just open it, and now go to Menu, copy this folder and this one, and paste them inside here. And then go out and go to Script Hook V, bin, copy this one, and this one, all of the DLL folders, and paste them inside of here. And now you're basically done. So before you launch your game, just make sure you go to Manage and make sure you have launch options enabled, and you have you write this down. So -no BattlEye, and then you can run the game. So once you launch your game, to activate the shark car, just press F8, go to vehicle options, vehicle spawner, funny vehicles, and down here you're gonna find shark car, and there you go. Now you can just click F8 again to close the menu, and this is your shark vehicle. So if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more videos like this with different mods in GTA 5, please leave me a comment below in the comment section, and also make sure to leave a like and subscribe. That's it.